So this is a Pedagogy of the School Subject General Science 0.8 B.Ed first year, Paper 107. This is for Pune University notes. So I will be continuing with the notes. So this is the curriculum and syllabus of General Science at secondary and higher secondary level. We have a curriculum and syllabus. These are the notes you all can take down. Curriculum and syllabus continuation of the previous class. Curriculum and syllabus, these two concepts are different from each other. Syllabus is focused towards a particular subject while curriculum is related to the all-round development of student. Syllabus is prepared for a fixed term, normally a year, thus it is with narrow scope while scope of curriculum is wide and it is prepared for whole course syllabus. Okay, I hope you all can see this clearly. Serves as a guide to student as well as teachers. It helps to know about the subject in detail. Curriculum is aimed at both physical and mental development of a student. It is the overall learning experience that a student gets through during the particular course of study. In short, syllabus of general science is described as summarization of the topics covered under science subject while curriculum refers to overall content and activities in a course. Okay, next topic we have is curriculum meaning by Kerr 1968. So what is the meaning of curriculum by this? All activity, you all can take down all the activities which are planned and guided by the school, whether they are carried out in groups or individually inside and outside the school, are curriculum. Next, continuation of the notes. Okay, so now by Munro, curriculum includes. Now, what is the meaning of curriculum by Munro? Curriculum includes all the types of learning experience used in school for achieving the educational goals. Now, by More, the meaning of curriculum includes all those activities which are utilized by the school to attain the aims of education. Curriculum is the store of all the experiences which a learner acquires under the control of school. Okay, you all can write down these notes and start studying them. Okay, so the term curriculum has been derived from a Latin word currere, which means a race, course, or a runway on which one runs to reach a goal in the same way. A curriculum is the instructional and educative program by following which the pupil achieve their goals, ideas, and aspiration of life. It is the curriculum through which the general aim of a school education receive concrete expression. Initially, curriculum was subject centered, while nowadays it is child and life centered. Okay, the next topic you all can take down is principles of curriculum construction. Okay, in this, let us see. I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay, this concept. Okay, we have the principle of curriculum construction. The content of curriculum is determined on the basis of some academic principle which are started below. The first is aim and objective of education. Curriculum should be useful to achieve aims and objective of education. Second one is child centered. Curriculum should be framed according to the actual need, interest, and capacities. Okay, capacities it is. You can see this word, right? Capacities of the child. Next we have is the principle of civic and social needs. It should be framed in such a way that it will focus on individual as well as social needs. The fourth one is principle of activity. It should be activity centered. The fifth one is principle of creativity. It should help individuals to develop his innate potentialities. Okay, next let us continue the notes. The sixth one is principle of forward looking. It should prepare the child for shouldering future responsibilities. Principle of flexibility. It should be flexible enough according to surrounding. Next, eighth one is principle of integration and correlation. Now you'll have the subject should be arranged logically and psychologically in accordance with the child developing needs. Next we have is the principle of learning ability and its utility. Every topic should be learned and it should also have utility. So next what we have is principle of individual difference. It should be based on psychology of individual difference and framed. It should be framed in such a way that every individual can have opportunity for self-expression and development. Next we have is the principle of utilization of leisure. Variety of subjects such as games and sport, fine arts are subjects of enthusiastic value. These subjects should be introduced in the school program to utilize leisure. Next we have is the principle of variety. Along with content, there should be scope for co-curricular activity. Next is the principle of logic. Along with its psychological base, it should be logical. Next, what we have is the principle of time. While constructing curriculum, due attention should be paid on available time in timetable for the specific subject. The next, take down the notes on methods of construction. For science curriculum construction, concentric, linear, and mixed method are used. Concentric method, first point under this concentric method is nature of concentric method. By keeping one point as a center, if we draw many circles by increasing the radius, we get concretic circles. Same idea is used in this method by keeping one unit. Okay, so I hope you all can see this clearly. At the center, by keeping one unit at the center in each standard, its scope increased than previous standards. Such type of curriculum construction method is called as concentric method. Thus, knowledge about the topic increased slowly in each standard. It is based on the principle simple to complex. It has psychological base, has depth of content. Increase according to increase in student capacity in each standard. Okay, so we have this concretic cycle. Okay, this is the life cycle. This is a life simple and complex structure of cell organization in living things, plants and its structure, human body, living things, then 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, so this you can take down. Okay, so we have a merits of concentric method. Under that, there are few points. Student get knowledge about a topic step by step. Easy to understand, has difficulty level increases as per student ability. Revival of previous knowledge takes place as per principle of known to unknown. It develops interest student mind due to its continuity in content, useful for development of specific outlook as well as thinking capacity of students. Knowledge remains in memory for long time. So let us continue it here. You all can write down. All this importance note you all can write down. We have a demerits of concentric method. Okay, under that there are 3 points. First point is different teachers teach science subject at different standards. So teachers, okay, I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay, So teachers may consume more time in revising the topic. Student may feel boring while studying same topic every year. It is not possible to use this method for all the units in syllabus. Next, what we have is the linear method. In this, the first point is nature of linear method. Some units with limited scope are included in one standard. They are rarely related to content of last and next standard. The method of prescribing specific unit in a specific syllabus while drafting curriculum is known as linear method. This is the fifth, right? First aid. Then we have the measurements. Seventh is food and growth of food. Animal husbandry, solid waste, mapping, genes. Okay, you all can take down this. So next what we have is the merits of linear method. In this we have 3 points: useful for the units with limited scope, no revision of previous knowledge so it saves time, total idea about unit is given in same standard. Next we have is demerits of linear methods. So what are the demerits of the linear method? No interrelationship with various topics. Student may forget it in next standard. Not useful for all the topics. Student may think that there is no correlation of this unit with other units. Next we have is the mixed method. In mixed method, let us see. Nature of mixed method. As it is not possible to use either concentric method or linear method for the construction of curriculum of the standard, generally both these methods are used. Such type of method is known as mixed method. In this type of curriculum construction, for some topics concentric method is used and for some topics linear method is used. Okay, let us continue the writing notes on the next page. So next what we have is the merit mixed method. It includes merit of both concentric as well as mixed method. Psychological principles are followed. Students develop interest in their learning. You can just take down these notes. Next what we have is the curriculum at secondary level. Educational curriculum is prepared by government institute. Curriculum of 1st to 8th standard is not prepared by SCERT. Okay, Pune, while curriculum of secondary 9th and 10th and higher secondary 11th and 12th is prepared by Maharashtra State of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board, Pune NCRT. New Delhi is the central level institute which guides above institutes. All the principle of curriculum constructions are followed. Curriculum is need based and based on the principle of learning without burden. So some characteristic of this curriculum are as follows. The first one you all can take down is various principle, law, concept, science are included in curriculum and stress. Here you all can take down this. Stress is given on comprehension and not only on knowledge. Next, second point is more practical work is included at this stage. Central related various groups or individual activities are suggested. Scope is also given for co-curriculum and extracurriculum activities. Content is organized in such a way that critical thinking, creative thinking, problem solving capacity development will take place in student. The next point is the technological modules introduced at this stage are more advanced than at the higher primary stage. Next point you all can take down is assessment and evaluation process for theory as well as practical work is based on students' capacity. Next what we have is the syllabus. It is an outline of the course of study to be completed in a fixed time or Oxford Dictionary. It is a summary of what will be covered in a course of study. So this is the difference between curriculum and syllabus. Now this is the curriculum, this we have a syllabus. Now what is the difference between these two? Now in curriculum, the first point is it is the overall content taught in an educational system of a course, whereas syllabus it is the document that contains the portion of the concept covered in subject. I hope you all can see this clearly. Now curriculum second point, it is related to all round development of student, whereas syllabus it is focused towards a particular subject. Third point in curriculum is it includes syllabi, whereas it is in the part of curriculum. Its scope is wide, whereas syllabus its scope is not wide. It is more informal, this it is more formal. It is a set of a course, whereas this is a set of a subject. Next, let us see the syllabus of a secondary level. Okay, you all can take down these notes. I hope this is clear picture for you all. The first point is one of a highlight of a syllabus is shift from a deductive to an inductive pedagogy. B1 is there are a number of activities for a student to think, work on and apply scientific principle to simple real life situation. The language used to describe content is student friendly and simply yet engaging. Emphasis on rote learning has been minimized. Okay, I can take down these notes. Focus area of evaluation is application. Student will be evaluated on the ability to analyze, classify, think creatively and to solve questions, to test their problem solving skill. Content of standard 9th and 10th is divided into two sections as follows. So like this way there are sessions for standard 9th and for standard 10th. Section A and Section B. In Section A, lessons of physics are included in this session. 2 lessons of chemistry and 5 lessons. Okay, I hope you all can see this. 5 lessons of physics are included in this section. Now Section A, 3 lessons of chemistry and 4 lessons of physics are included in this section. 2 lessons of chemistry, 4 lessons of biology are included in this section. B. Okay, this is for 10th standard, this is for 9th standard. Next, what we have is the curriculum at higher secondary level. Okay, I hope you all can see this clearly. That's it. Like secondary 9th and 10th, higher secondary 11th and 12th curriculum is prepared by Maharashtra State Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board Pune. All the principle of curriculum constructions are followed. While preparing curriculum, some characteristics of the curriculum are as follows. First point you all can take down is higher secondary stage may be the end of the formal education leading to the world of work. For others it would be a bridge of the tertiary stage of education, academic or a professional courses. Second point is the student at the higher secondary stage must be fully equipped with basic knowledge, skill, attitude, and entrepreneurship so that they can qualify for self employment as well. Next, what I'll have is the higher secondary stage is a crucial in many ways. It is the stage of maximum challenge while the student in this age group are passing to a critical phase. Critical phase of their life transition from adolescent to youth. They have to take important decisions concerning their future career by choosing suitable courses. Okay, at a higher secondary stage, students opt for academic or vocational courses. However, they are all need to have a foundation course. Next is the syllabus at higher secondary level. Emphasis is on basic conceptual understanding of the content. First point. Second is promotion of process skill, problem solving ability, creative thinking and application of knowledge is found. Third one is efforts are taken to strengthen the concept development at secondary stage to provide firm foundation for future further learning in the subject. Fourth one is student will be capable of studying chemistry in academic and professional courses such as medicine, engineering, technology, etc. The fifth one is exposure is given to different processes used in industries and their technological application. Sixth is content is useful to promote inherent skill of observation. Content is suitable to help student to understand functioning of organism. Eighth one is efforts are taken to make student aware about issues of global importance, and the ninth is content of standard 11th and 12th is divided as follows. Okay, so I can take down this notes, and also here the continuation of the notes is right over here. This is the subject, this is the chapter, and this is the some topics which is covered. For example, if you all have the 11th standard physics, total 14 chapters are there. So topics will be covered like scalar and vectors, force, light, electric current, and magnetism. For 12th physics, total chapters 20 chapters. So motion, wave, theory of light, electrostatic, electrons and photons, semiconductor, kinetic theory of gases and relation. Next, what we have is the 11th standard chemistry, total 17 chapters divided into two sessions. Okay, these are the session 1, session 2. Concept of chemistry, states of matter, periodic table, hydrocarbons, environmental chemistry. For 12th standard chemistry, total there are 16 chapters. It is divided again into two. In that, you will be having chemical, thermodynamics, and energetics, electrochemistry, isolation of elements, compound containing nitrogen, polymer, chemistry in everyday life. Okay, for 11th standard biology, I will be having total 14 chapters divided into two sessions. Here, diversity of organism, cell, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, human, skeleton, and locomotion. So next all I have is 12th standard biology, total 19 chapters. In that, genetics, biotechnical, evolution, human body system, health and disease, animal husbandry. So today till notes, you all can take down the notes till here. In the next class, I will be giving you all the notes on textbook and content analysis of general science. Okay, this will be the next topic which I will be providing you all the notes on this topic. Okay. So till now, this much is enough for you all.